I'll mask this because there's some overspray, eh?
Yeah.
This all has to be painted black yet.
Okay.
And this is the first coat, all the way around, inside and out. Plus the stuff outside.
Okay. So I showed up here today, and Dad is been busy painting. And being busy painting, you can taste the paint in the air here, but he gave me some instructions about what he's doing here yet. So looks like inside and out. And he's given me a list of seats that he wants, and so he's going to do that. And I'm going to take the window glass down into the city. Local guy here didn't have time to do the windows, so we're going to take the window glass into Winnipeg and deal with a guy down there. And if I get a chance, I'll maybe do a little video with him on what's going on. But yeah, it's a positive workflow day here. The Dad wants me to kind of get a seat like this. These are all rotten, and he needs 3 of them. And so, but the other thing that he's been painting here are all the accessory pieces. And so he's got this up on the table here, and he'll paint that and then probably flip it tomorrow and do the other side. And this will have to be disassembled and painted still.
The new ones onto that, eh?
Yeah.
And if we don't, I'll just recover this one.
Okay.
Sure, I'd like to get 2 at least.
Yeah, so Dad wants to get 3 of a specific style of seat, and hopefully they're still available at Princess Auto. And that's part of my goal. I got some dental appointments and eye appointments I got to go to. So yeah, it's other than Dad painting, that's all that's going on here today. And dogs are all treated up, and there's Yeti, the Yetters. Hi, Yetter. And there's Nina Pinta Santa Maria. And then hopefully once we get the other glass in and that other machine done, we can start working on this one again. And Dad informs me the cat has been sneaking into the... Hi, baby. There's my Filipino Emily. Cat has been resting in the doghouse. So Cat goes in there and Charlie stays in here. Hi, Charles. So that's it for today. Probably splice this together with another video, but I'm gone for 6 days. These guys have got to get their treats because Emily likes her treats. So does Yeti, Nina. Oh, we love our animals. Northern Lights in the Palm, Manitoba. Late September. Always love watching the Northern Lights.